Bye.
Good morning, babes. Let's unbox a package. I don't know if it is just me, but I was excited for this package. So I wanted to open this with my nails, but it had these things. I don't know, little wires. Well, that was painful. And yes, I'm excited to unbox boxes. It was packaged good, but why so much plastic? Well, I got these boxes for my wholesale products, and they can fit 2 or 1 lip gloss bases of 200 ml. I will also use them for wholesale lashes. They are not too big or too small, they're just the perfect size. So I just filmed an unboxing of this package and I'm returning it the same day. Why? Because it is not stable. I will insert a video so that you can see what I'm talking about. I even weighed my phone to make sure that my phone is not above the weight limit, like 500 grams. Okay, do not recommend. I do not recommend what I just got. Another unboxing and we are prepared today. And I still struggled, but we finally got it. So today we're unboxing a tripod and I have never been disappointed this much. I got it from Take A Lot, as you can see the box. I wanted a tripod that was not too heavy and comfortable, and this one looked perfect, but it was not stable enough to hold my phone. My phone kept falling. This is the part that kept falling. And the limit for this tripod, the weight limit, it is 500 grams. My phone, it is 206 grams. Fingers crossed that my next tripod is more stable. And that is it for this unboxing video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.